Good evening, everybody. I am Dr. Shweta Gupta Bhandari, a classical homeopath, as you all know. As per our ongoing discussion on Kant observation, now I will talk upon the Kant observation number 6. The Kant observation number 6 is very often met in the clinical practice to everybody. It states that there is a very short relief of the symptoms of a patient in a treatment. Like, if you prescribe in the case of chronic disease, the symptom will be low, there will be a amylation, the patient will be feeling fine for initial days, then again started the appearance of the symptom or aggravation of the symptom. Now, what to do? As per the prognosis of this observation, as per Dr. Kant, is the prognosis is poor. Why it is poor? The short relief indicates that either the medicine is being exhausted or the patient is doing something which is interrupting with the action of the medicine. In acute cases, I'm talking about this, but in chronic cases, if this occur, it implies the pathology is grossly increasing, and that there is a poor prognosis because of this only. You would be giving the medicine, it will keep on exhausting. So what you should do? According to Kant, Dr. Kant says, keep on repeating the medicine in acute conditions, but for chronic, there is no specification. Why? Because in chronic condition, when the symptom increases, aggravates after amelioration, see, our medicines are a tool. We give the medicine, we get the results. But if the medicine are exhausting, it means the proportion of the pathology is quite big, quite high as compared to the doses. So we have to go with the re-case checking and re-evaluation and go with a better simillimum in these cases, in case of chronic conditions. But in acute, it is advisable to repeat frequently the same medicine. You can repeat the same medicine in acute condition. And the very important thing is specified in this observation 6 is, while reconsidering the case, the second prescription, before going for the second prescription, you have to re-examine the whole case. In that, you have to kindly consider, you have to check whether there is any exciting cause or maintaining cause ongoing in the condition, because people are used to of taking herbal medicines or herbal things in their diet, their regimen. So you have to evoke, you have to understand, you have to try to take the during the case taking, you have to evaluate, is there any maintaining cause or exciting cause that is leading to the exhaustion of medicine, or it is the pathology. So you have to differentiate among these two through the case taking. So this was all about observation 6. Observation 6 is very important. Short relief means medicine is not giving in these cases we have definitely the prognosis is bad and the treatment will be of no use. In fact, it will not be a curable treatment at all. It can be a palliative one in acute and chronic, both the conditions. In chronic condition, it indicates towards cancer, tumors, high grade and stage diseases, because the symptoms are appearing, short relief is there, if medicine is being exhausted, it implements pathology is gross. And in acute condition, if it is exhausting, so again, if the repetition of the medicine, if things goes well, it's okay. Then again, you have to go with the exciting and the maintaining cause, and you have to go through the case taking thoroughly. Okay, all the best. Kindly consider this work. Go through the observation 6, try to implement in your cases, in your practice, and I hope all this work will be useful to everybody. It's my tribute to Dr. Hahnemann, and definitely I always will be very confident, work hard, learn good, and be strong in your conviction in your work. I do work exceptionally, because I'm very passionate. I do 20 hours, I can work 30 hours non-stop. This is my stamina, because I love my pathy, it's a passion. So make your work your passion and enjoy, and then just excel in every field. And I want everybody to be very confident about the classical homeopathy. Get it very straight and clear. The only homeopathy that exists in the world is the classical homeopathy. No patent, no combination. So the sooner you understand this, better you will practice. All the best. Take care, everybody. Definitely, it's a win over COVID-19 with homeopathic medicine and protocol under Dr. Shweta Gupta Bhandari, and I hope everything goes well and we will excel with homeopathy and we will serve the globe, the homeopathic medicines and the beauty of homeopathy this time. Thank you. Take care, everybody. Bye.